Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Hotel Moderniste. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Hotel Moderniste located in a beautiful and very quiet, bourgeois street, in the 15th arrondissement of Paris, in the heart of the convention district and very close to the Porte the Versailles exhibition center. The Hotel Moderniste opens its doors after a complete renovation. This brand new 4-star boutique hotel is a beautiful example of 1930s architecture in Paris and immerses us in the avant-garde atmosphere of this resolutely modern era. Structured on 7 floors, the Hotel Moderniste offers 40 very comfortable rooms in a resolutely modern decor. Particular attention has been paid to the bedding and soundproofing of each room to ensure optimal sleep in the heart of the capital. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.